when the pieces seem to shatter, to gather off the floor, and all that seems to matter is I don't feel you anymore. No, I don't feel you anymore. I need a reason to sing. I need a reason to sing. I need to know that you're still holding the whole world in your hands. I need a reason to sing. When I'm overcome by fear, and I hate everything I know, if this waiting lasts forever, I'm afraid I might let go. But I'm afraid I might let go. Oh, I need a reason to sing. I need a reason to sing. I need to know that you're still holding the whole world in your hands. I need a reason to sing. Will there be a victory? Will you sing it over me now? Your peace is the melody. Will you sing it over me now? Will there be a victory? Will you sing it over me now? I need a reason to sing. Just need a reason to sing. Just need to know that you're still holding my whole world in your hands. My whole world in your hands. That is a reason to sing. That is a reason to sing. I will sing, sing, sing to my God, my King. For all else fades away, and I will love, love, love with this heart you've made. For you've been good always. Yes, you've been good